Need to schedule a Zoom meeting for work, school, or a personal event? Zoom makes it easy to plan meetings in advance and share the invitation with participants. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch the Zoom Workplace app and sign into your account. You'll need to be signed in before you can schedule a meeting. If you're already logged in, you'll go straight to the Zoom home screen. Next, click the Schedule button on the home screen. This opens the meeting setup window where you can customize your event. This is where you'll enter all of the meeting details. Now enter a meeting title, choose the date and start time, and set the meeting duration. You can also select your preferred time zone if needed. Take a moment to review the information before moving on. Scroll through the available meeting options and choose the settings that work best for you. For example, you can enable a waiting room, require a meeting passcode, or decide whether participants can join before the host. These options help you control how your meeting will run. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Schedule to create the meeting. Zoom will add it to your meeting list and may also offer to add it to your calendar. Connecting Zoom with your calendar can make it easier to keep track of upcoming meetings. Finally, open the scheduled meeting and copy the invitation details or meeting link. Send it to your participants by email, messaging app, or your preferred communication platform, so everyone will have the information they need to join on time. And that's how to schedule a Zoom meeting. With your meeting created and the invitation shared, you're ready to host participants whenever the meeting begins. I mean, spending a minute reviewing your meeting settings beforehand can help everything run more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.